and welcome back to 12 Minutes with Berç. I'm your host, Berç, and today we are again diving into one of the most transformative and impactful areas of our time, AI and big data. Previously, if you recall, we had a great episode with an innovation professor from Oxford University, Pınar Özcan, on the same subject from an academic point of view. And today, I'm honored to have a very special guest, engineer Marwan Al Zamil, one of the kingdom's Saudi Arabia's most influential leaders in the digital transformation. Marwan's pivotal role in driving the kingdom's ambitious Vision 2030 is not just significant, but also inspiring for the Generation Z audience. Engineer Marwan has over 20 years experience. He participated as key leader in implementing a large number of digital initiatives by applying AI, big data, data engineering, and many digital solutions and emerging technologies in various sectors such as banking sectors, financial markets, fintech sectors, the national security sectors in traffic violations, law enforcement and transportation management sectors, then in real estate technology sectors, prop tech initiatives in the municipal, residential, housing, and real estate development sectors. So, Marwan, welcome. Our 12 minutes started. Marwan, thank you so much for joining us today. It's an honor to have you.
Thanks, Berch, for hosting me to this podcast, 12 Minute with Berch. I hope the Gen Z audience will greatly appreciate my contributions and also gain the future digital skills.
How are AI and big data driving Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030? And why should Gen Z focus on these skills, in your opinion?
Yes, Berch, let me start with the importance of AI and big data for Saudi Arabia. AI and big data are absolutely key enabler to Saudi Arabia Vision 23. Over my past 20 years experience, I had privilege to working on most of the kingdom transformative digital initiatives across the various sectors, starting from banking and stock market sectors to enable the fintech, then to national security sectors and the real estate, including municipality housing and real estate to enabling the PropTech ecosystems. So when we talk about the vision, so Vision 23, we are really discussing the blueprint of innovative and sustainable ecosystem. AI and big data are key enabler on this transformation. For example, in the banking sectors, these technologies have utilized and very helpful to manage the risk, enhancing the digital experience and ensuring the compliance and regulations. Also, the most important, increasing the revenue. Similar to national security, AI-driven systems have been also enforcing the traffic violation and managing the transportation system most efficiency. So, for Gen Z, mastering AI and big data is not just about career path. It is about becoming as part of large movement actually that is reshaping the very fabric of our nation. These skills will allow us to to contribute actually to many projects that are not only innovative but also have a huge impact on Saudi Arabia futures. So the world is rapidly digitizing and very growing to digital solutions who can layer and take this empower of digital and intelligent system, and he will be leader for of tomorrow.
What key AI and big data skills should Gen Z learn to contribute to Vision 2030?
As you are also witnessing, Birch, as it's visible to you in Saudi Arabia, the Gen Z contribution to Saudi labor market actually has increased dramatically. When it's come to AI and big data, the skill set is quite wide actually. But there are a few areas that I believe are practically critical. First, let's say if we starting in the base of the stack of AI, which is understanding the data engineering is fundamental. So we can think of data as the fuel of for AI. So the data without data, actually, the AI will be not functional effectively. So behind these AI, actually, the data engineering, another skill set, which is machine learning and deep dive or deep machine learning. So this is what will allow the AI system to learn from the data to improve the decision to be taken. So, in my experience, practically in these sectors that I have experienced, like fintech or also proptech, machine learning has been a game changer. So, it is what enabling pro actually, it is enabling pro predictive and the predictive analytics and also forecasting the trends for any fields and any ecosystems.
How are AI and big data transforming industries in Saudi Arabia? And what does this mean for Generation Z careers?
That's amazing question, Berge. If we say AI and big data are driven massive change across industries in Saudi Arabia. In the banking sectors, for example, these technology have enabled real-time fraud detection, personalized banking, digital experience, and predictive financial modeling. In the real estate also, the real estate sector proptech initiatives empowered by AI and big data are transforming how we manage and develop the properties, from smart homes till smart municipalities till to take the advanced for urban planning or smart city planning. So for Gen Z, this transformation means that career opportunities are expanding rapidly, and these technology continue to evolve. There will be growing demanding for professionals. So why not only understanding AI and big data, but can also apply them to solve complex problems in creative ways. So whenever we are interested in financing or financial or real estate or even national security, there are also rules being created today that did not exist a few years ago. So this is an exciting time to be entering this workforce by building expertise in AI and big data. Gen Z can position themselves at the front of these industries, contributing to projects that are not only innovative but also crucial to the kingdom future.
How can Gen Z use AI and big data to build careers and support Vision 2030?
Building career with AI and big data skill over potential, especially in the context of Saudi vision. These technologies are at the heart of many initiatives aimed to for these ecosystems, improving public services and creating sustainable growth. For Gen Z, the first step to start with a strong education foundation, course in data science, machine learning, and AI are essential. But behind before formal education, I will encourage young professionals to seek out real world experience. This could be through internship, project based learning, or even developing your own AI models on data driven solutions. In terms of supporting Saudi Vision 23, AI and big data are critical in area like smart cities and e-government services and sustainable energy. By focusing on these sectors, Gen Z can contribute to these projects that or these giga projects that directly align with the kingdom's strategic goals. For instance, using AI to optimize energy consumptions in smart cities, even home levels, not only supporting environment sustainable, but also help in building resilient urban infrastructure. Ultimately, the combination of these technical expertise and the strong understanding of Saudi Arabia economic goals with the position Gen Z to be key contribution to success of this Vision 2030.
And my final question is, what's your advice for Gen Z eager to start with AI and big data within Vision 2030?
Thanks, Berch, for asking for this question. My advice actually to Gen Z is to approach AI and big data. Start by exploring the basic. There are many resources available online today, from tutorials to open source projects. The key is to get hands-on experience as early as possible. trying to building simple machine learning models, or they can work also with the data sets to understand how data engineering works. In addition to these technical skills, I recommended keeping a close eye to how these technologies are being applied in many industries here, or even locally or globally. Understanding the real world impact of AI and big data will not only make you more efficiency or effective in your work, but also help you to identify the area that can make the biggest contribution. Finally, I think about how can we work in AI and big data can align with objective of Saudi Vision 23. This might mean focusing on a project or giga project that enhance the public services, improving the environment, sustainable, or drive the innovation in sectors like healthcare or education or energy. By aligning your career goal with the kingdom visions, you will not only find more opportunity, but also play a part of as to shaping Saudi Arabia future.
Marwan, thank you. Our 12 minutes ended. Today, we have hosted Marwan Al Zamil and we have talked about AI and big data. Thank you for tuning into 12 Minutes with Berç. Stay tuned for our next episode. This podcast is brought to you by One Network and Beano, platforms dedicated to fostering innovation and excellence in business. See you next time on 12 Minutes with Berç.